Couple of days after the ice storm, Boardwalkers, and I don't know if you can tell it or not, but we got power lines and telephone lines down on the ground almost. So it's definitely going to be a 2-week at least before we get anything restored here in my hometown here. I'm in Etta, Mississippi, just outside of Oxford, Mississippi. And it's just trees after trees, all gone. We're going to be cleaning up for a really, really long time. There used to be a squirrel's nest and a hawk's nest over here somewhere. I'm not seeing it anymore. And I am not sure if the resident hawks and eagles who are over here even have a tree up anymore. So, just wanted to touch base with you after a couple of days and let you guys see and know what we're going with. We've got plenty of food, we've got plenty of water for the next 2 or 3 weeks, and we've got plenty of firewood besides what I had already pre-done. So we should be cleaning out and warming up and melting down in maybe a couple more days, but it's still going to be a while before power gets anywhere. Keep safe out there, Boardwalkers. I'll see you soon.